Hi friends! Today we are going to learn about amphibians. Amphibians are special animals. Let's meet some amphibians. First we have the frog. Frogs start their life in the water as tadpoles. When they grow up, they become frogs with legs and can jump on land. Next is the salamander. Salamanders start in water too, but when they grow, they can walk on land. And don't forget the newt. Newts like to live in water, but they can also walk on land when they grow up. Here's another cool amphibian, the toad. Toads are similar to frogs, but they have dry, bumpy skin. They like to hop on land, and some toads can even live in gardens. Let's also meet the axolotl. It's a special amphibian because it stays in the water its whole life. It has gills like a fish, and it looks like it's always smiling. Then there's the blind salamander. It lives in caves and has no eyes because it doesn't need them in the dark. It uses its other senses to find food. American bullfrog. These frogs are big, and their loud croak can be heard from far away. Amphibians help nature by eating bugs and other small animals. They are important for the environment. Thanks for learning with us today, little explorers.
JD's Learning Crew.